Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create talking AI avatar. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type this gencraft.com where you can generate AI art, image, and video. So to start, you just have to click login if you have an account already. If you don't have, then you have to sign up for this. So to start, what you want to do is to simply create prompt for your AI image. So you just have to go to this part, describe your creation in detail. So for me, I have to look for a girl with a dog, and you can add actually everything is up to you. So for me, a girl with her dog at the park, and then click generate. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, the result will appear here, but of course, you have at least two options. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. So I think I like the second one, so all I have to do is to click download. So after that, the next thing to do is to go to your Google web browser or open a new tab, and this time you have to look for this AI watermark remover just in case that the video has a watermark. So you just have to upload and then point the circle to that specific watermark and then click this brush size and then remove. So once done, click download and let's proceed to the next tool, which is the 11 Loves that IO. Here you have to sign up if you don't have an account yet. If you have an account already, then you just have to simply type the text that you want to convert into audio. Once done, click generate and then download. And the very last tool that we need is this DID. Okay, so you just have to type it right here, KD dash ID, and you have to log in if you have an account. If you don't have, and then click sign up. Now tap create video and then click add the image that you have downloaded earlier. And then for audio, you have to download the audio that you have created from this 11labs.io. And then once done, it will show up right here. Then you can listen to the audio. And once you're okay with everything, then click this generate video and let's see the result. So this is the result.
Hello, my name is Thea, your girl A. How are
Once you're okay with this, then all you have to do is to click download. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.